Hello and welcome back to AJM Learn. Today, I'm going to show you how to put a vertical video on your Squarespace site. So what I did is I went ahead and just put two regular videos. Now, the key here is, so really I'm trying to show like my YouTube Shorts or Reels or something like that, and they don't really have a built-in way to do that. So add your video block, just a regular video block. And then in that video block, you're going to have to, sorry, let me just like demo that super quick. You're going to need to click the plus. You have to upload the file. You cannot embed from a link for this to work. So you have to actually upload the file. So you got to make sure you have that video storage. So upload the video. I just put two next to each other so you could see the CSS take effect. So first, I'll paste in the overall CSS that makes this will make every video on your website vertical. Obviously, it made it huge, so you need to go in and adjust. We'll do that in a second. So if you're only displaying vertical videos, just do this. If you only want to make one video vertical, you're going to need to use that Squarespace ID finder, find that block ID, and add it right before. The key here, this kept throwing me off when I was trying to figure this out. If you put a space between the block ID and this video block selector, it won't work. That's not super common, so I'm not honestly not really sure what's happening there, but that's the only way that it will work. So I'll click save. You can see the one below is still in that like horizontal mode. This one is vertical. So from here, you can come in like any other video and adjust. Now you'll see, let me kind of adjust it up. You can play around with this percentage here. I've watched some other tutorials and played around with it myself. 120% seems to be what works best for these vertical videos, but you can play around with this percentage, 115, 110, whatever, but 120 seems to be kind of the best. All right, hope that's helpful. Make sure to subscribe if you like our videos.